Okay, so what is up guys, Pixel Sammy here, and today we are going to share a new transition pack. Now this transition pack is very basic transition pack because why not? Why not basic transition pack? There are many people who use zoom transition, pan transition and many other transitions which look visually appealing. But the basic transitions are something that most people ignore. So this is exactly what I am going to share in this video. These transitions include the bots 1 transition, the revealed transition, the bots 2 transition, the paint 1 transition, and the paint 2 transition. So in order to download this pack, go to the link in the bio. Then what you need to do is subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, it doesn't matter. Then download the effects and then a media file link will generate, and then from there you will download the effects. And I have also given Rear Nungel's video to install these plugins, and you can watch it to learn how to install these transitions properly. Thank you so much for watching guys, hope you have liked my video. If you are into cinematography, photography and filmmaking and all this other stuff, then my channel is just for you. If you like my content and if you like the stuff I do in my channel, then press the like button. And if you want to watch more videos like this, then consider pressing the subscribe button and the red button. And with that being said, this is Pixel Sammy signing out. Peace out.